What's up, guys? I know you guys have not seen the truck since it's looked this complete. It's basically done. Today we are going to put a custom exhaust on this old Sweptline. It's going to be done by my Uncle Matt. Going to separate this exhaust system versus other guys is that it's going to be done with very minimal pieces. So my Uncle Matt's really good at making bends to one piece of pipe and keeping them going and keeping it nice, high and tight where it's hidden on the car. Anyways, we're gonna get out to the shop, get this thing done, and get it sounding right. Oh, welcome back to the YouTube channel.
Is this a 318 wide block or what is it?
Just a 318.
I'm gonna start with 2-inch.
Got to. My hands aren't soft.
Okay, set the flames off.
What is that? What is that?
It's that Bronco.
Is that thing ready to work?
That's what I said. It sounds
Sounds like a windshield wiper motor.
Old wagon's pretty cool. You just eyeball a lot of it?
Eyeball.
Was Puddin's Fab Shop called the old evil eye or whatever?
Evil eye.
The evil eye.
Or the stink eye. Answer.
I don't know how you can just eyeball that and make that look right like that. I'd get confused on which direction it has to go.
Make a mark on my phone.
What does a machine like this cost?
I knew they're about 8,000, 9,000.
Wow.
One, 2, 3, 4. Well, I've been rolling in since the clock in Monday morning. From the end of the week, I'm bound to blow. Breeze walking through the honky tonk like a pack of wolves now. Order of a round of stripes and it's away we go. Switch up, roll down, kick down. Order of another round of shots. Turn to get drunk with some night fun. Trouble, baby, like in a night. I'm a Jim Beam, drinking big, singing like a high face machine.
Yeah, it is high.
That's good. You can get past this cross number with 2 1/4, and then it'll make it easier to slide on 2 1/2 on and go.
I don't know if you guys heard there, but 2 1/4 through this area here since it's tight, and then to a 2 1/2 out the back. I guess you're coming out right here.
Just want to try to, yeah. Yeah, I welded those nuts, I'm pretty sure. That one's welded. That one's welded. I welded those. These I didn't weld because this bar.
Well, we might just have to pull one out and put a hanger coming off one of them.
As you guys know, this is a budget build. It's getting these flow sound mufflers. How much do those cost?
I only get $25 a piece for them, but I bought them like 10 years ago.
$25.
I don't know what the hell, man.
$29.
29?
$29 month.
See, I bought them a big bunch of them because I thought I was getting a good deal.
You ever get the top of your head a little toasty? You ever burn the top of your head?
All the time.
That ain't flash anymore. You can have a fire in the stove about 4 foot high, and he don't get excited until it starts finishing his mustache.
How do you weld the top side of that?
Start at the very top on one side and work my way down, go back to the other side and start at the very top and come back down. But
A lot of people that do exhaust, they want to do that nice and high and tight.
tight.
High and tight.
What's that?
Yeah? 68 Charger because round taillights. Looks pretty good. It's nice. No motor. Yeah, and keep all that extra off the back like that and turn it up.
Yeah.
45 it out of the
Right,
back.
what are you thinking, Kurt? That's 45 to try that.
Yeah, 45 it up out of the back
Drag it
there.
through here and then turn it down just a little bit right here. I think I'm high enough where it's going to step above this. I'm going to come right through there, I think. That look pretty good back there. You like that?
The Barry Jackson roller.
Put on the loading gun so you don't see nothing.
Ready to hear it.
The rumble that stopped your 18.
Uh-huh.
I kind of get the impression. There's the gas right there. What? There's the gas right there. There. Good, that's pretty good.
Looks good.
How's it look back there, Jeff?
It looks right.
Huh?
Looks right.
Yeah, that looks killer, Kurt. Alright, looks good.
Yeah.
Sounds good under here.
That motor's quiet.
We're golden, man.
Sounds good, looks good. This build is getting super close to being done. It needs a little bit of kinks worked out here and there, like we need to put exhaust manifold gaskets on it, stuff like that. Anyways, it's sounding great. Thanks to my Uncle Matt, huge shout out. He's great at what he does. And if you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for the next video.